What's going on, Fence fam? My name is Mark Heinz. I'm the head of content creation here at Ozark Fence. And today I'm going to show you how you can take simple clips from jobs you've done in the past or have planned in the future and to turn them into exciting videos to help attract more customers and boost your brand recognition. First off, you want to capture some good footage. Make sure you're capturing a lot of wide shots, close-ups, and before and after angles. And if you're lucky enough to have a drone, those aerial shots can really highlight the craftsmanship of your fence. All right, we captured our footage. Now we got to decide how we want to edit it. And we're gonna have to pick an editing software. If you're new to editing and don't want to blow the budget on it, there's stuff like iMovie or CapCut that are very beginner and user-friendly. If you're willing to spend a little bit more money to get a nicer software, Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve are great choices if you want to have a little bit more control and a little bit more of a professional touch. All right, so we're editing the video now. We want to make sure to keep the video between 30 and 90 seconds long. Start with your best looking shot to grab the attention of the viewer, and then show the process of how it's built, finishing with the end result. And don't forget to add a quick intro with your company's branding or logo. Speaking of branding, be sure to leave your company's logo at the bottom right corner of the video as a watermark. Add text overlays with your services, your contact info, and maybe even some customer reviews sprinkled throughout the video. And don't forget to use your brand's colors to keep things consistent. So we got the edit going along smoothly. Now we want to add some music or some voiceover. You can add royalty-free music or licensed music if you're willing to pay a couple extra bucks. Be sure to pick music that matches the vibe of your company. Try to choose something that's professional, upbeat, but also confident. And if you'd like to, you can add a voiceover to the video that can help walk customers through the process. It can make your video feel a little more personal and trustworthy. Now, as we're finishing the edit of this video, make sure you use those before and after shots. They are gold. They show the viewer a visual story of transformation and quality work. Include testimonials in your videos when you can. It's always good to have happy customers speak for you. To wrap up your video edit, it's time to make a call to action. Tell viewers how to contact you, follow you on social media, or how to get a quote. Make it easy for your viewer to take the next step. And just like that, with some good footage and some smart editing choices, your fence company's videos can become a powerful branding tool. Show your work, share your story, and build your brand.